Hi everybody, we are going to go over the solutions for math lesson 83. You need your lesson, you need something to correct with, and you need your book. Let's get started. Number 1 is 3:15 p.m. Number 2 is 2 dimes. Number 3 is 23,287,420. It should be 23, 287, 420. Number 4, A is 8, B is 16. Number 5, 11, 13, 17, 19. Number 6, A is 4, B is 1/2. Number 7, A is cube, B is 6 faces. Number 8 is C, sphere. Number 9 is 1.7. Number 10 is D, diameter. Number 11 is 8 12/100, 8.12. Number 12 is 786 thousandths. It is 0.786. Number 13 is 441, 441. Number 14 is $25, $25.00. Number 15 is $2.43, $2.43. Number 16, your first fraction is 4/12, 4/12. Your second fraction is 9/12, 9/12. Your mixed number is 1 1/12. Number 17 is 3/4. Number 18 is 9. Number 19 is 6 1/3. Number 20 is 5. Number 21 is 3 3/4. Number 22, 1/10 is greater than 1/100th. Number 23 is 1 1/2. Number 24 is $26.25, $26.25. Number 25 is $9, $9.00. Number 26 is C. Number 27 is 140 square feet, 140 square feet. Number 28, A is rent, B is 1/4. Number 29 is 9.6 centimeters, 9.6 centimeters. Number 30, to write out your number in expanded notation using powers of 10 should look like this. All right? It's 1 times 10 to the 5th plus 8 times 10 to the 4th plus 6 times 10 to the 3rd. Those are the solutions for lesson 83 of math. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys here later.